Oh, isn't it superb? Oh yes, Stasi's over there, and it's just amazing. Lovely spot. And so what you see, these are the endemic pines called silver pines. You can see their edges are a little bit silverish. So these are called silver pines, and they are a special kind of pines for the Balkan Mountain. Check now this mountain ridge edge, and where you come out to the view, which is definitely one of my favorite I've ever seen. Check it, just the spot for me to stay all day long and enjoy the view would be here. It's just perfect for me. I love the colors, and we can also see the other way, and let me show you